Hi guys, I have a guest here, and no, it's not Nora. It's actually Mimi. Look at her. This is my kitten, Mimi. Look, wait, I'm sorry, I have to get this thing in. Look, it's Mimi. She is my kitten, and she's my very first kitten. Well, Anara was the first kitten, but I thought I would show off Mimi. This is her first time on YouTube. She's never been on YouTube before. So I thought I would show you guys to Mimi. Her name is spelled M-I-M-I. So a little bit about Mimi. We got her when she was 8 weeks old. We've had her for about a couple months, and she's improving well. She's getting better at doing anything, and she's really playful. So she will play with anything she sees. Like, she'll play with these. She'll put her head in my chip bag, and she'll just chew on my stuffed animals. Okay. And she has a litter box right over there. We have 3 litter boxes. 3, because we have 3 cats. We have Inara, Samji, and her. What are you looking at? Come here. She loves to play. Don't you do that? Mimi. She's playing with some string. Or something else. I just thought I would show off Mimi and a little bit facts about her. She can be weird, crazy, very playful kitten, and she's just really smart. Okay, well, I have to go. Bye. And comment down below what your first kitten's name was, what the age was, and how long you've had her. Mimi. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that. Say bye.